You can see those feathers blowing. We got a really good breeze going here now between the buildings. So it doesn't really look like the crop is all that full, but must have had a little snack because up here just kind of taking it easy now. Oh yeah, playing around. Oh, watch her get that foot up there. Gonna clean up on the foot a little bit now. Like a complete makeover here, getting everything tip-top shape. They got a good sized foot. You can see that, how long them toes are. So grabbing ducks and large prey. They don't have any problems with the ducks on that pond. They catch many of them. They can catch pheasants and stuff like that too. There, some long talons and big toes there. She can get all squared away here. Oh yeah. Now getting those toes and talons all cleaned up. It's a clean makeover here, getting everything in there all squared away. Closes her eyelid a little bit. Just kind of watch and see this little preening session, getting the tails squared away here now. And oh yeah, look at that. Always puts on a good show. A little preening session. Get that tail, that oil gland, oil up them feathers. Oh yeah. I like this lighting. It's good. Check around and see what else is in the area. I heard a lot of ducks on the pond. Kingfisher, of course, he's hanging out catching the minnows. We'll watch the peregrine here and see what's up with the breeding. It won't be too much longer. They'll be going to the nest site. It's about that time of year. The eagles are busy down at the end of James Street, getting their nest on sticks all squared away, so it won't be long. Peregrines will be taking off for their area. We're not sure we know where that is, but we're just speculating. It's just over the hill, I think, into saltwater. But we don't know for sure, so. But anyway, this one here is preened up. Getting all squared away now. Look how long those toes are. My goodness. Absolutely. Back off a little bit here. We certainly got a good breeze, that's for sure. My goodness. It's about got them all preened up here. I keep listening for the other one, and sometimes they sail over and holler and you can hear them, so. It looks like it's just going to be a preening session now. Everything's squared away. How long those wings are, almost to the tip of the tail there. Fascinating. Very interesting creature. A lot of pleasure coming down here and be able to see the peregrine falcon about any day right on the building. Very secure with the perch here, happy here, and not nervous. Get close, get some good videos and photos. All right, get up close and personal here. Look at that. All righty. See what's going on. Still oiling up the feathers. Getting everything squared away.